Alumilite synthetic modeling clay is a non-toxic, reusable, and non-drying clay. It's perfect for creating two-piece molds and sealing up mold boxes to prevent any leaking. For a two-piece mold, start with a large base of clay. Lay your piece down onto the clay, pressing down gently. Smoothing out our synthetic clay is easy. Just follow along the edge of the part, making sure there is a clean line and no gaps along it. Sealing up a mold box with our clay is simple and fast. Roll out thin strips of clay to lay against the perimeter of your box. Lay the clay against the base and the outside of the box. Press into the clay, filling and sealing up the gap between the box and the base. Smooth out the clay to ensure a good seal. Our clay works perfectly with our carving tools and spatulas to give you great control over the beauty and success of your molds. When you're done with your mold, just remove the clay and save it for next time.